Alright, hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This is CAC speaking. In today's video, I want to walk you through how you can carry out a business name registration in Nigeria. Anybody helping you out with it, right? So I'm going to break down the steps. The first one I'm going to be teaching is how you can select the best name, how you would know if the name you are selecting or you're trying to use is available, and how you can, get the best of names. Second step is how you can reserve that particular name and pay for it. Third stage will be how to carry out the full registration, right? The details you need to supply, how to combine the details together to be able to carry out the registration successfully. At the end of the video, I'll be showing you or sharing with you some of the offers I have for you, especially if you are going to watch this video from beginning to the end. So without any further ado, make sure you subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and watch the video till the end so that you're able to get access to the surprise I have for you in the video. I'll see you in the video. Let's go. All right guys, you're welcome. So this is how you start your registration. The first thing you want to do is set up an account. So you come to icrp.cac.gov.ng, and it will bring you to this page. You can come and click on sign up. So you would have to create an account before you'll be able to carry out any process of registration with the Corporate Affairs Commission, right? So once you click on sign up, it will bring you to this page where you can carry out 3 different account creations. So the first one is the public user account, or you get access to the accredited agent account or the entity account. So the public user account is what you might be able to get access to, because the public user account will give you access to you being able to create your entity, that is your registration or your business, your incorporated trustee, and every other thing you want to do. But accredited agent portal will give you access to post incorporation portal, and also you have to be a lawyer, a chartered accountant, or a chartered secretary or administrator before you can be able to get access to it. So without any further ado, what we want to use is the public user part. So the public user is what you want to do for your individual registration. You click on continue, and then you can fill in your details. So you first thing you put in is your surname, put in your first name, put in your other names, put in your date of birth, your gender, your nationality, your phone number, your email address, confirm the email address, add in any username you want, put in any password of your choice, right? Confirm the password once you have done that, and come here, click on the job description. Now I've seen a lot of people make mistake on this job description. All you want to put is entrepreneur. That's all you want to put there, nothing more, nothing less. Spell it correctly and then you're good. Entrepreneur, or that is not correct, or businessman or businesswoman. Do you understand? Businessman or businesswoman. So depending on whatever the options are, the options I've given you is entrepreneur, businessman, or businesswoman. Don't add a doctor, a lawyer, but all those things are not necessary, right? What you want to tell them is that you're a business owner. And the next thing you want to do here is to select the ID card that fits in. Don't forget, before now we used to have multiple kind of ID cards here, but right now since you have limited it to just 4 of them. So you have the driver's license, the national passport, national ID, and the permanent voter's card, that is the PVC. Whatever option you have selected will determine the ID number you'll be putting in here. So once you do that, the next thing you want to put is your address, full address with local government and state. Once you have done that, you click on register. Now when you click on register, an automatic email will be sent to you on your WhatsApp, right? On your account. So let me just put in different wrong details. Let me just put in wrong details, and then so that I'll be able to create an account and you'll be able to see what I'm trying to do. Just a minute. Here right now, what you want to do is to make sure that your username contains capital letter, small letters, and numbers at the minimum, right? You can put special characters if you want, but the main thing is that you must make sure that it has at least 8 digits, right? So once you're done with that, you click on register. You click on register, and it will send an email notification to you. So it has sent an email notification to the registered email. So kindly check the email to continue. So I'll go to the email and confirm if it has been sent. So I'll click on continue here and go ahead to the email and then check the email. So right now you can see that an email came in right now. So CAC account verification, blah blah blah, Okay, so all I need to do is click on the account verification part and then click here, right, to confirm the account. So these are the account details supplied. All I need to do is click here. So once I click on that, it will take me up to another page. So that means that I've confirmed that this actually exists. But meanwhile, there's going to be an OTP setup. So the OTP setup is one of the major reasons why I'm making this video. The OTP setup now is not like before, that CSU is the one managing the OTP for you, sending your OTP to your email address. No, but right now, what the setup of the OTP is you using Google Authenticator, right? Google Authenticator. So now it's requesting for me to log into my account. So I'll log into the account right now. Now I'm going to click on login. So once you click on login and you've put in everything, you see this first pop-up, right? So it's telling you this is a layer of protection for your account. So the first thing you want to do is that it requires an extra layer of security for your account to be created, right? So there are two-step verification to that. So each time you sign in, you will need to enter from a code from your authenticator app. So what do I need to do to set it up? I click on setup. But before I click on setup, I need to reset my password, right? It wants me to change my password. So to change my password, I'll just go ahead to reset your password option. Once I reset my password option, I will just go ahead and put in my username or my email address and then click on submit. Take note that all these details I'm using, they are just for educational purpose. All right. So once I do that, I'll put in submit. I'll put in the username. So an notification have been sent to the email. Now when I go to the email address, I should receive an email right now. So I'll go back here and then you can see an email that was received. So I click on forgot token, copy the code that was sent to me, copy, come back to the account. I believe you're following. Come back to the account and then paste the password reset here. Once I paste password reset code here, whatever I want to be the username, the new password, I can maintain the former password that I have as the new password. I just click on submit password reset. So once I click on submit password reset, I can go ahead and log in again, right? I'll log in again. So I'm trying to log in now. You can see that right now is still showing this detail. These are the initial details it showed me before. So right now, instead of it bringing on an error when I'm trying to set up, it will no longer do that. So let me click on setup and you see what it's going to bring. So it's asking me to scan. I should open my Google Authenticator on my phone. So there are two options to this. There's the manual setup and there is also the automatic setup, right? So the automatic setup means that you just open your Google Authenticator app and scan that code, or the manual setup, there will be a code setup, right? So I will prefer the scan method. So if you want to use the manual setup, it's very simple. You just click on setup manually and then you go to your Google Authenticator and then you'll be able to insert a key. This key, you copy this key and insert there. But in this case, that's not what I want to do. I just want to set it up automatically. So I'm going to scan on my Google Authenticator app. You make sure you are selecting the right email you want to use for the account, right? So once I scan it, it will load up and go to the next stage. So look at it. I'm scanning right now. I'm done scanning it, and you see it reload right now. In the next few minutes, you load up. Just a minute, it's loading up. So I'll scan the barcode. So it will take a time. Just allow it. Just depending on your network, how strong your network is, it will determine how long it's going to take for the whole thing to set up. So just hold on and hang in there. So I was supposed to click on continue. So let me click on continue and then I'll type in the code I'm seeing on my screen. 56. So once I do that, it will verify the code and then I'll be able to log in successfully. So once you log in, this is the way you're going to be seeing your account. I like to verify the code and log in very quickly. So all done, continue to dashboard, and then we're good to go. No stress, all easy. No stress, all easy. So you log into your account now. You can see that it's currently logged into the account that I just created right now. Okay, I'm logged in right now. You can see this. So this is how a new account will look like with the CAC before you start doing any form of registration you want to do. So you can go through and start doing your registrations. All right, guys, you're welcome. So this is what you should know in carrying out your registration. The first thing you want to do is to be able to make sure that your name is good to go. So how do you do that? The first thing you want to do is to come to the name reservation panel and click on new reservation. So once you click on name reservation, you want to be able to select the business classification. So you come here, click on select business classification, and select the business classification of choice. Right, so depending on the kind of business you want to register, if it's agriculture, if it is fashion based, you select the business type. But meanwhile, in this case, I want to do a business registration. So in this example, so you select business name, you come to the business type. So if it's a sole proprietorship, it means that you are just having one person as the owner of the business. If it is partnership, you're having more than one person, that is 2 people, 3 people to be the owner of the business, right? So I'll select sole proprietorship and click on continue. Once I click on continue and scroll down, I'll have to type in the name of the business that I'm trying to register. So I would put the name as Test Enterprise. So if I'm putting the name as Test Enterprise, so let's see if that name is available. So all I just need to do is select the nature of business of choice. So let's say I'm into agriculture and I'm coming here to the business nature of business, specific nature of business for the business rather. All right, so guys, so once you select the nature of business, so let's say we're into fish farming and aquaculture, you click on search availability. Now the essence of this checking for availability is to be able to know if the business is available or not, right? If business is available or not. So it will check online and the database of CAC and confirm the name the business is available. So once it checks, so with this now you don't have to waste money on name search and everything you do. So for instance, this one is available, you click on continue and you continue to you click on continue and then click continue to payment. So you're going to pay the sum of I think 1,161 naira for the name reservation. So once you continue to payment, now the question is, now after the payment has been accepted, what do you do when it comes to the registry? So since I'm ready to pay, right, I'll just click on the payment is 1,200 naira now. So I'll just click on remitter, then it will take me to go and make payment. And then once I make payment, I'll be good to go. It's done. You'll be seeing this showing up here. So instead of not submitted, you'll be seeing approved. So these are the different classes. You see not submitted, pending, you see approved, you see queried. So if it has been approved, like the name reservation is approved, you see approved here, and you can click on action and then proceed to continue the registration. So when you come to registrations here, up here, that's where you'll be seeing the list of ongoing registrations that you're going on with. So don't forget that there's what we call reservation code. Reservation code, right? Those reservation code will be sent to you. So when you come to new registration, the availability code rather, so you paste the availability code here and then you click on continue. That's one. Or even from the name reservation portion here, you'll be able to see continue the registration. So you continue registration. Now I'll be stopping the video here meanwhile, but here are the things you are going to be needing to continue the process. You're going to be needing a properly detailed ID card, your ID card that you can use, NIN, international passport, driver's license, and permanent voter's card, right? Those are the documents that you require, you need to carry out your registration. So make sure all the details you are inputting are correct and consistent with the details on the ID card. Now the beauty of business registration is that it is done with AI, right? So immediately you are done, once you get it right, it goes through and registration is successful. Take note, this is a disclaimer now. For those of you who might be, maybe you want to start doing this as a business, you cannot use your personal individual account for other people. So with this registration I'm carrying out on this account, it will be showing my personal details. I believe you understand. You're carrying my personal details because my details was used and it's a public user. So if you want to get access to an accredited agent account, you can reach out to me. My WhatsApp will be in the DM, so you can reach out to us. For those of you who want to use this as a business, if you are someone who just do registration or two and yes, you stop, we would not attend to you, right? So we want people that want to use the portal for registration, right? That's one. Then if you want us to help you carry out your registration as well, we're also open to that. And we have a lot of people that want to affiliate with us to help them carry out different registration, and we're also welcome to do that. So, and those of you that want to take a course on a proper guide, this might not be a quick guide because the video is getting too long, right? So if you want a proper breakdown, I've created a video, a course, ultimate bundle course, that has over 50 videos. The ones I've made on YouTube, the one I've made for my students, specially dedicated videos, you can get access to them for just a token. So do well to reach out to me in the DM. Why not also subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up so that you can get quality content like this whenever you need them. I'm making more videos, so do well to watch those videos as well. My name is Agbola Ezekiel. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video, right? So I need you to subscribe to this channel. I need you to also, if you have any issue all through the process of the registration, I need you to reach out to me. My WhatsApp number will be in the description below, so do well to reach out to us. We'll also help you out throughout the registration process in case you need our support, right? So I'm expecting to hear from you. Do well to reach out to us right now. So if you want us to also carry out other processes like the post incorporation processes, other processes with your business, you're having a complication, just feel free to send us a DM and we'll get your problem solved immediately. My name is Agbola Ezekiel. I'm going to be seeing you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.